Hey everybody, welcome back to Camera Wire, your go-to spot for all things photography, video, and tech. In today's news, the camera world is buzzing right now. A huge DJI drone launch happening this week. Fresh Apple laptop drops that photographers are loving, and more. This can affect what camera gear you buy this and next month. Hit that like and subscribe button and let's get into it. Big news in the action and FPV space. DJI is officially launching the Avata 360 March 26 in China with global rollout starting on April. With global rollout starting early April, this is DJI's first true 360-degree FPV drone, building on the Avata line with immersive capture, better stabilization, and rumored 4G connectivity options. Pre-orders are opening soon, and it's already sparking debates versus competitors like the Insta360's anti-gravity A1. Massive price difference, but DJI's ecosystem usually wins for reliability, and it's said that DJI passed the compliance for this drone, so you might be able to buy this from this website in the USA. Otherwise, you might have to look for a third-party reseller online. We will see. If you're in the cinematic drone footage in immersive VR style video, this could be the game changer for videographers. Canon just announced they're expanding their multifunctional device manufacture in the US starting April. Rumors are going around about 3 new PowerShot compact cameras in 2026. Think a refreshed G7 X series with faster lenses and 4K 60p, a super zoom like the SX80 HS successor, and maybe more in the V series for video-focused compacts. On the mirrorless side, the EOS R7 Mark II is still the most anticipated to have a possible 40-megapixel APS-C sensor, 8K video capability, making it a baby R5 for enthusiasts and hybrid shooters. Canon dominated interchangeable lens cameras for the 23rd year straight. Sony, this is a big rumors for the FX3 Mark II. It could drop as soon as March or April 2026. Expect a partially stacked sensor for faster readout, better low light, Wi-Fi 6 cinema style upgrades to compete with Blackmagic and Canon's C-line. Also high on the list, Sony A7R VI, late 2026 or early 2027, potentially with an 80 megapixel stack sensor, insane resolution for landscapes and studio pros. Sony's A7 V is still topping sales charts. If this rumors hit, 2026 could be Sony's year. The Nikon Z9 II refresh is highly likely to be released this year, 4 years since the original flagship. Expect speeds and autofocus upgrades following the Olympic cycle. Also talk of the Z7 III and the ZF2 retro updates. Apple dropped big this month. New M5 MacBook Airs, Pros, and the budget MacBook Neo starting at $599. Plus updated iPad Air and Studio Display XDR. For photographers and editors, faster M5 chips means smoother Lightroom, Final Cut, and AI editing softwares. And finally, the Photography Life has announced their top 10 mirrorless camera of 2026. Counting down from 10th place is the Nikon Z6 III, 9th is the Canon EOS R6 Mark III, 8th is the Sony AR3, 7th is the Sony A7 V, 6th place is the Canon EOS R1, 5th place is the Sony A7R VI, 4th is the Canon EOS R5 Mark II. Now for 3rd place is the Nikon Z8, that's my personal favorite camera. 2nd place, the Sony A1, and the number 1 mirrorless camera of 2026 is, drumroll, the Nikon Z9. That's the latest camera and tech scoop for March 2026. Rumors are flying. Launchings are happening, and 2026 is shaping up huge for photography, video, and tech. Now, which brand of rumor cameras are you most excited about? The Canon R7 II, DJI Avata 360, Sony A7R VI? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy the Roundup, smash the like and subscribe for weekly updates and turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next big announcement. Go out and create something amazing this week. See you in the next one.